Hi everybody, it's Passion Monet. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you encapsulated star glitter nails. And it's super easy because I'm going to be using dual forms. Right now I'm just showing you how I prep my nails with dehydrator and primer. And I'm just letting that dry. And next I'm going to show you my dual forms. I used some dual forms that I had from my Burano Polygel kit. So it's super easy. First you apply a thin layer of crystal clear acrylic. I'm using Carlash crystal clear acrylic. And then I'm going to apply some glitters. Just some cute little star glitters. And I'm going to cover that up with more crystal clear acrylic. And it's simple as that. You just press the dual form down to your nail, and if any gets on the side of your nail, you just use your monomer to wipe that off because you don't want that to cure on your skin. And that's about it. And I'm just going to be repeating that for all of the nails and smoothing the back end. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to let you all continue to watch it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.